नमस्ते सभी को, स्वागत किया है मेरे दूसरे से। और बात करेंगे आज आप लोगों के साथ मेजर PSU Q3 रिजल्ट टुडे, कानारा बैंक, REC, HUDCO, CONCOR Preview and what to watch. Major PSU announced Q3 financial year 2026 results today. Analysts expect steady profit growth for Canara Bank, healthy performance from the record, key decision from HUDCO and strong volume at CONCOR. New Delhi, several major public sector undertakings are scheduled to announce their third quarter financial result today. This includes Canara Bank, REC Limited, Housing and Urban Development Corporation and Container Corporation of India. Analysts' expectations suggested varied performance across sectors, with investors focusing on key metrics such as net interest income for banks and the loan growth for the financial institution. Canara Bank is expected to report steady growth in the quarterly performance. Analysts project and net profit to rise by nearly 10% year-on-year. Key areas to watch included growth in the net interest income, trends in asset quality, and management commentary on loan slippage and deposit growth, and the margin movement will also remain in focus. REC Limited Q3 Financial Year 26 Preview. REC Limited, a leading power sector financier, is expected to post a healthy performance in the December quarter. Total income is projected to increase by around 10.6% year-on-year, while profit after tax may grow by about 8.7%. The board is also scheduled to consider a third interim dividend for the financial year. HUDCO Q3 Financial Year 26 Preview. Housing and Urban Development Corporation will announce the Q3 result today, along with key policy decisions. The board will consider a third interim dividend and a proposal to raise the annual borrowing plan for the financial year from 65,000 crore rupees to 80,000 crore rupees. Investor will track updates on loan section, the disbursement and the demand trends. CONCOR Q3 Financial Year 26 Preview. Container Corporation of India has already indicated the strong operational performance during the quarter. Total free-out the throughput increased by over 10% year-on-year. Q3 Financial Year 26, the board will consider the financial result and an interim dividend. Investor will focus on how volume growth translates into the volume and margin. Performance of the PSU Bank stock. PSU Bank stock have shown the mixed movement ahead of the Q3 result announced today, and while improving assist of the quality stable credit growth have supported statement margin pressures, and the competition for deposit continue to keep an investor assessed.